Okay, so we're going to cover MMEWM. Let me just share what we are going to cover. EWM, what we are going to cover. First of all, enterprise structure, material types. I will cover enterprise structure later, what this is. Material, oops. Purchasing, oops. Material master. This is first phase. Then we will start with RFQ, config of RFQ, quotation, source listing, contract, and then front-end. Contract agreement, RFQ, purchase requisition, PO, GRN, FIMM, integration of GRIR. Front-end, source listing, RFQ, quotation, PR, PO, GRN, IMM, inventory movement, inventory checks, and what else? Reports. Okay. Sure. Then EWM. I'll come back on this later. So enterprise structure, what is this? Material types, purchasing from material master. Let's first cover material master. Material master, logistics, materials management, material master, material, create general. Immediately, MM01 is the T code. So this is our SAP front end, and it has two menus: SAP menu, which is provided by SAP, and the user menu. The user populates with his preferred transaction codes.
सर आवाज कट कट के आ रही है सही जो है ना
So this is user menu where they can enter their own T codes. So you can enter your own T codes for MM as well. Okay. So, so we have pretty much from the MM, we have these T codes. You can also enter your own T code by right click, insert folder, insert transaction, FBL3N, and FBL3N is GL account line items. So this is how you work with the menu. So logistics, materials management, material master, material general, MM01. This is our T code for creating material master. So we have three types of fields. Material, we don't populate this. This is auto populated. Industry sector, there are many industry sectors. For example, mechanical engineering, packaging, pharmaceuticals, um, any industry. Okay, let's say we take mechanical engineering. Material type, the material type can be many: raw material, semi-finished good, finished good, packaging, whatever. I mean, whatever types that your client will have will actually go in this uh, category, in this category material type. Okay, so we have raw material, ROH, raw, for example. Then we have fields, views, organization levels. Let's take organization level, for example, AA42, and select views. Now these views and these views are the same. Now what are the views? Views that we want to populate for this material, for example. Okay, purchase order text, general plant storage 2, accounting, costing, warehouse management, packaging, enter. Okay, now we have this material. Let's say it's wrought iron, 30 meters, rods, grade 60. Unit of measure, meters, material group, PK raw. Now, how to make this material group, we'll see this in the configuration part. Okay. And then we have category, general item, category group, make to order. Let's see what other categories we have: configuration, partial billing, third party item. Let's say it's configuration serve, bundle, product list, leasing, empties, and so on. Standard item, normal. Let's say we take normal. Okay. Now, how to do this, we'll see this in the configuration. Right now, this is front end. Okay. This is one view. Second view, description, basic material, part number, and other details that you can fill in. Page number, if it is related to some architectural drawing or mechanical drawing. Okay. This is for Brazil, ANP tax code. Okay. Now, any view which has this symbol means this is what we want to populate. Okay. Now, this is purchasing. Yes, purchasing is necessary. Base unit of measure is meters because we want 30-meter rods. Ordering unit will be carton. Okay, because we will order it in cartons. Purchasing group can be anything for various categories like canned foods, fresh foods, LAP9 purchasing group, washing powder, rubber division, raw purchasing, and so on. Okay, so we can take any, we take 000, and tax indicator for material will keep this empty. Freight group, no values. Okay, we'll see this in configuration. Valid from, we don't need any dates. Automatic PO, yes. Source list, yes. Critical part, this is for industrial mechanical. Post to inspection stock for very sensitive like things with expiry or quality checks. GR process tank, no need for it right now. JIT schedule indicator, this is for just in time for automotive in Japan, Japanese standard. Automatically no GIT. This is just in time scheduled indicator. Okay. Okay. Purchase order text. Okay, now carton will have one carton will have how many meters? It will have, let's say, um 90 meters. Okay, or maybe 120 meters, because we want to distribute it in multiples of 30s. Purchase order text. Purchase order text like handle with care, 120 meter wrought iron rods, pack with fragile sticker. That's it. Okay. Next is our plant data storage. Base unit of measure is M. Unit of issue will be feet, for example. We get it in meters, but we will issue inside our plant in feet. Okay. Temperature conditions, we don't need that. Hazardous material number, no, it's not hazardous, we don't put that. Maximum storage period, no need. Shelf life, no need. And storage percentage, how many percentage of area it will cover in your storage. Required maximum shelf life, maturation time, this is again for FMCG products. Okay. Quality management, oh sorry, plant data storage too. Plant data storage too. Okay, gross weight, net weight, volume, we can enter this. Negative stocks in plant, no, we cannot have negative stocks for this. Weight unit, volume unit. I mean, if you have these details, you can enter it. Profit center, yes, we will have to make a profit center. So this is actually indicating and pointing towards financial accounting and costing. Quality management, GR processing time, plant special material status. We don't need this. Inspection interval. For quality check, how many days for inspection will be needed? Like 2, 3, 1 week, 2, 3 days, 1 week, like that. QM control key. This is for QM module. Okay, QM in procurement is active. No, it is not active because, of course, you need configuration for that. Accounting one, yes, this is important because material has to be evaluated. Material will be evaluated. For that, we need evaluation class. What is evaluation class? We'll discuss this later when we start our configuration. And standard price will be like, for example, 2200 per unit price is 2200. And price unit will be one. Of course, carton will be 1 unit. Okay. And accounting 2. Okay, accounting 2, this is used for costing. These fields are updated during costing. Okay, LIFO, FIFO relevant, yes, we'll check that. Costing. In costing, we have profit center. Again, we have to mention that. Do not cost during costing. Yes, we can do that. Material origin. Okay, this is used for costing. Again, origin group, again used for costing. Alternative BOM, bills of material. Yes, we'll have to see that in the configuration. Okay, costing 2. Costing 2, this is again for costing. It is updated automatically. Valuation class for FIMM integration. Okay, and that's how you maintain the material master. Very easy, not so difficult. So your first lecture was about material master, and we save it from here. We have saved it. 702039 has been created, and now we will actually cover EWM. Let me just share that. Okay, we've done that. Now, materials management, that is covered. Now comes extended warehouse management. This has a certain scope for materials management. When you have material management covered, configured, then of course, this is then relevant to material management. And in this, we will cover master data, and we will cover many areas in warehouse management. Location, geocoding will just go over because geocoding, of course, requires codes. We will not actually go so deep, but we'll cover the concept. Product, transportation lane, creation of transportation lanes. Then we have master data functions. We'll also see that. And phrase management, dangerous goods movement, how dangerous goods are created. We'll also see that. And utilities, display change documents, report log. Yes. Hazardous substance master. We'll also see that, and we'll go into details. Okay. Then we have monitoring. Many areas to see in monitoring: work scheduling, staging for production, wave management, task without reference, and so on, shipping and receiving, loading, unloading, everything. Okay. Billing, how billing is done, and so on. Okay. So main supply chain units, and this will be covering in detail. So this was our today's lecture. I hope you it is clear.